loves, this is your girl Taraluvdiva. My hair is all in my face. Can you see me? This is a different scenery background. This shirt is getting on my nerves. It's supposed to be off the shoulder shirt, but it keeps going up my shoulder. But anyway, this shirt is off of Amazon. Whoop, whoop. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But anyway, you'll see a full picture on Instagram. Go to my Instagram, Taraluvdiva TV. But this is not why I came on to this camera. I came on because I got me okay, I messed that up. But I know how to. But anyway, I got a box and it's from Shoedazzle. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Shoedazzle. Thank you for gifting these shoes to your girl. We're going to open this box. I just had the scissors, people. Bam. Let's open the box, shall we? And this hair is by Wing Girl. That video is up already. And the lipstick is by Maybelline. And everything else is mixed products. Okay, the top of the thing has the welcome to Shoedazzle. Oh, bam, they made me a VIP member. This is telling you how about the VIP membership and being an ambassador for different companies. At the end, I will read you what's in the VIP, how the VIP works. Because you get so many people, oh, I don't like Shoedazzle. They went in my account and took money out my account. They took money out your account because you signed an agreement. At the end, where you click on submit or buy or purchase, and it tells you way at the bottom before you click submit, do you want to be a VIP member? If you don't, do not click that button. Because when you do, you submit it to a contract with Shoedazzle for $39.99 a month. Now, as a member, like I was saying, I'm going to tell you at the end. This is the return policy. First meal kit, $80 gift card. Oh, this is for HelloFresh. I will put my glasses on to read this at the end. Then you have a $100 gift card for. Once again, I put my glasses on and read. Oh, this is wine. I seen wine bottles, so I kind of figured, okay, we're gonna read this. See, this is why this is why I love what I do. I get free stuff. Now let's get into the box. Let's try not to break it down. Ooh. Let's see what the first set of shoes are. All this time my glasses was behind me. Okay, let's see what the first pair of boots are. These are red boots. OMG. Oh, it'll go nice with this. Ah. I'm going to do a try on thing and you can see a picture right here. But it will go nice with this leopard. OMG. These are so pretty. These are suede boots. This is in a size 6.5 because your girl has little feet. These are a 6.5 suede boot that has the scrunch. It's scrunched in the front. I mean, it's a scrunchy boot. But look at this, it's so cute. And the heel is a 4-inch heel. Oh, you see this? This is so gorgeous. And it'll go really nice with my red bag. Got a red bag to pair with these boots. No, I think this is more red than that. No, it looks redder on the camera, but it's like a red. So it'll match my red bag. These are so cute. Now let's get on to the second pair. Battery's going dead. Let's speed this one up. Oh, these are the black leather ones. Oh, these are sexy as. Oh, get up. These are so sexy. These are the black leather. Also 4-inch heel. And there's also a scrunch here towards the ankle and your calves. It scrunches right here. And it has a zipper on the inside of the boot. And this also will go nicely with the shirt I have on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try on and do pictures for these boots. And then I will come back with reading the information on how to be a member. Plus I have to charge my phone. Let's get into how the membership, VIP membership works. Now, reading is fundamental. Like I said, do not purchase anything that you do not read. And then complain about something you chose not to do. Our VIP membership works. Shop or skip the month. The choice to shop is always yours. If you need more time to shop or have decided not to purchase, click the skip the month button in your account between the 1st and the 5th of each month and you won't be charged. Now what they're saying is, let's say you ordered in December. You got your product in December. You want to skip January. Go in your account. Click that skip a month button. You will not be charged for the month of January. You see how that works? You will not be charged for the month of January. So, you won't be charged. But if you do not do that between the 1st and the 5th, you will be charged. So you have to stay on top of your contracts that you do with anyone, not just Shoedazzle, with anyone. VIP member credits. If you do not shop or skip the month by the 5th of each month, Your credit card will be charged $39.95 USD on the 6th. So if you don't stop it or skip it on the 5th, your card will be charged on the 6th. And that amount will be placed in your account as a credit to be used at any time. So if your card happens to get charged, do not call Shoedazzle talk about, I want to cancel, blah, 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 because you can't just do it after your card's been charged. Because it tells you between the 1st and the 5th, so you won't be charged on the 6th. That's how that works. And then you'll have credit. So anytime that you want to go back and shop, let's say in the middle of whenever, you have credit in your account. So, it says cancel anytime. You may cancel your VIP membership at any time by calling client services at 1-888-508-1888. Available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So if you want to cancel, just call that number I just put up there, and you can cancel at any given time. Free shipping and exchanges. Free shipping is available for VIP members. Orders over $39 USD. Shipped to address within the contiguous United States. Orders to Alaska and Hawaii are subject to a $6.95 USD shipping charge each way. Please see our site for our Canada shipping price. That's how the VIP membership works. So don't be on there talking about, oh, they stole money from me, I didn't agree. You did, because you didn't cancel. Now on the inside of this, you have up to 30% off every style, free shipping and exchanges, 0% purchase to buy, 0% pressure to buy, perks and private sales for mouths, new shoes, clothing and accessories added weekly. Now on this card here, the words got smaller because it's in gray and black and the print is small, so bear with me. It says VIP Rewards Loyalty Program. Earn points for shopping and sharing. Redeem the... Did somebody just knock? Oh, I thought somebody knocked on my door. I was about to say who they. Just kidding. Redeem them for free stuff and instant discounts to... Okay, see, this is ridiculous. This eyesight is horrible. I can't even see with glasses. And like I said, now let's see. Let's start that whole sentence over because we're not going with that. Earn points for shopping and sharing. Redeem them for free stuff and instant discount. Get status upgrades for even more perks. Double points between the 1st and the 5th. Earn access to monthly showroom. Birthday surprise. Hey, my birthday is coming up in 20 days. December 21st. Hello. Birthday surprise, exclusive sales, and more. So that's the VIP Rewards Loyalty Program. Refer a friend. Send invites to as many people as you want. They'll get an amazing offer and you will get credit in your account when they join VIP. So you get a lot of perks dealing with Shoedazzle. Their clothing and their purses and stuff are really awesome. Then you have see you on hashtag Shoedazzle Girl. Tag us on social media or upload photos with a review to get featured on our site. Follow us at Shoedazzle. That's on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. So, with that being said, I am so freaking loving these boots. Woo, that's done. Cut.